Hello, hi, how are you all? I hope you are all doing good. And now in this video I am going to tell you about a fascinating program at Masterminds, that is CA and CMA integrated program. Do you know the details about this program? If you want to know the complete details about this program, watch this video till the end without missing. And this video is exclusively made for the students and parents of January 2024 CA Foundation. And if you are not confident or if you failed in CA Foundation of January 2024, yes, this video is exclusively for you. And this is going to be a game changer video because it will tell you about new possibilities so that you can proceed further in your career without any blocking. So please watch this video with a lot of attention. This video is based on the information available as on February 3rd, 2024. Now let us start the main thing. Now what are CA and CMA courses? CA stands for Chartered Accountancy and CMA stands for Cost and Management Accountancy. And coming to the areas of specialization, CAs are specialized in audits, CAs are specialized in tax affairs, they are money managers, they are consultants. And now coming to CMAs, CMAs are experts in costing and they offer costing advice to the companies. They participate actively in the cost audits and they also have wonderful opportunities. And now coming to the syllabus, especially at intermediate level and in both CA and CMA, 90% of the syllabus is same for CA Inter and CMA Inter. And now coming to the opportunities, CAs and CMAs find equal opportunities in the corporate world because in the corporate world, companies require both chartered accountants as well as cost accountants. And nowadays, cost accountants are finding much more bigger and wider scope of opportunities. Their pay packages at the campus placements are extremely doing good, that we can observe in the recent campus placement. And now coming to the foreign opportunities, both these courses, CA and CMAs, they are having very good foreign opportunities abroad, and that is making many students to pursue CA and CMA courses. And now coming to the difficulty level, yes, absolutely it is a known fact that CA course is little bit tougher compared to CMA. But as far as opportunities are concerned, they are having equal opportunities across the globe. And now coming to the most important concept, what is CA and CMA integrated program that is exclusively offered by Masterminds. See, with this program, a student can pursue both CA and CMA Inter at a time. Yes, it's a wonder. You can pursue CA and CMA Inter at a time. So, for complete information, just keep watching this video. Before proceeding further, let us first try to understand the course structure of CA Inter and CMA Inter. First of all, let us have a look at our CA course structure. So, this is a wide known fact. Everyone knows about the CA course structure. As per 2023 scheme, that is the new scheme, in CA, the first stage will be CA Foundation, the second will be CA Inter for 9 to 10 months, and the third stage will be the practical training for 2 years, and the fourth stage will be CA Final for 6 months. And when will CA exams be conducted? CA Foundation examinations will generally held in the month of June and December, which will be finished by 20th of June and December. As far as CA Inter and Final are concerned, generally these exams get finished by 18th of May or November. And now coming to the CMA course structure, likewise in CA, in CMA also we have 4 main stages. The first one is CMA Foundation for 6 months and CMA Inter, the second stage, for 9 to 10 months, and the third stage is practical training for 15 months. But a minimum of 10 months training is enough to appear for CMA final examinations. And CMA final examinations, you can appear immediately after the practical training. CMA Foundation examinations will be conducted in the months of June and December. And don't worry, there will be a week of gap between CA Foundation and CMA Foundation. And coming to CMA Inter and Final, they will commence by 10th of June and December. And there will be nearly 25 days of gap after CA Inter and Final examinations for CMA Inter and Final examinations. So this is the most important crucial period that students should make use very wisely to complete CA and CMA Inter at a time. And if you look at the subjects and papers in CA and CMA Inter, you can observe that except operations management and business data analytics, all the remaining subjects are common in CA and CMA Inter. That is, as I have said earlier, 90% of the syllabus is common in CA and CMA Inter. Now, let us try to understand who are eligible to register for CA Inter. So, the general way is if you have qualified your CA Foundation, yes, you are eligible for CA Inter. And again, there are two modes of direct entry for CA Inter. That is, you can qualify in degree with a minimum of 55% if you are a commerce student, that is, if you study BCom like courses, or if you are a non-commerce graduate, you need to have 60%. So, this is called as direct entry route for degree students. And there is one more way of direct entry into CA Inter, that is, you can finish up your CMA Inter both groups. And this is the most attractive option that we are focusing on. Our entire program of CA and CMA Inter integrated batch is based on this particular option. That is, first you clear your CMA Inter both groups, then you will find your way to clear CA Inter. So this is the option that we are focusing on. And now you may have a doubt. To appear for CA Inter exams, is it required for direct entry students to finish 9 months of practical training? No, not anymore. In the new scheme, there is no such kind of requirement. Students of both types of direct entry, that is, either you come from graduation or you come from CMA Inter, first what you have to do is you have to register yourself for CA Inter. First you have to qualify both the groups of CA Inter, and then only you need to start your practical training. This is again a biggest advantage. Now, who are eligible to register for CMA Inter? Yes, again the route is very clear. If you have qualified CMA Foundation, yes, you can register for CMA Inter. And again here there are two modes of direct entry. Either you need to be a qualified graduate, that is, you need to obtain your degree from a recognized university, or you need to qualify CA Inter both groups. So these are the two modes of direct entry for CMA Inter. And now coming to the difference in coaching of CA Inter or CMA Inter. For example, at Masterminds, for CA Inter or CMA Inter exclusive batches, 1600 to 1700 hours of coaching will be provided. And for CMA Inter exclusive chapters, nearly it will take 225 hours to teach. Now, you may ask me, sir, are separate batches available in Masterminds for CA and CMA Inter? Yes, we have. We have exclusive CA Inter batch where only CA Inter syllabus will be taught, and we also have exclusive CMA Inter batch where exclusively CMA Inter syllabus and subjects will be taught. But at the same time, we also have CA and CMA Inter integrated program. So what happens in this integrated program? How coaching is offered in this CA and CMA Inter integrated program? I think you are very curious to know about it. How can you teach CA Inter and CMA Inter in this CA and CMA Inter integrated program? Now I'll clarify your doubt. So first of all, what we will do? First of all, we will finish CA Inter coaching before 20th August of 2024. And you may ask, sir, if we join in CA and CMA integrated program, what about the exclusive chapters of CMA Inter? So first you will listen to CA Inter classes and you will cover up 90% of the syllabus, and now there will be only 10% remaining that you need to learn to clear your CMA Inter exams, and that 10% syllabus will be given coaching to you in the next 25 to 30 days for approximately 225 hours. And we also conduct study hours and revision examinations for CMA Inter from September 20th, 2024. And by from December 10th, you will be writing CMA Inter public exams. So you may get it out, sir, is this a separate batch? No, this is not a separate batch. You will sit in the CA Inter batch only. You will first listen to the classes of CA Inter, the common syllabus of CA and CMA Inter, and later you will be specially given coaching for CMA Inter exclusive batches. That is exclusive syllabus. Now, what are the different ways for a CA foundation student to write CMA Inter exams? So here we need to analyze different situations. Now situation number 1 for you. For example, if you are already qualified in CMA foundation in December 23 or in the earlier attempts, now what you can do? Now you can join in CA and CMA Inter integrated program, and you can register for CMA Inter before 31st July 2024, and you can qualify CMA Inter both groups in December 2024. Things are very clear. Now situation 2, you have already registered for CMA Foundation, but you have not appeared for CMA Foundation either, or you might have failed in CMA Foundation exams. Now what do you have to do? So first of all, you join in CA and CMA Inter integrated program, and then you just qualify your CMA Foundation in the upcoming June 2024 exams. You don't worry about CMA Foundation exam. It's a very simple exam and it is very easy to qualify CMA Foundation. So you clear your CMA Foundation in June 2024 and then you get yourself registered for CMA Inter before 31st July 2024. And don't worry about the results and registration. Institute will take care of it because results will certainly be out before the last date of registration for CMA Inter. And you focus on your preparation and you prepare well and you clear your CMA Inter in December 2024. Now let us try to analyze another situation. You may say, I have not yet registered for CMA Foundation, then what I have to do? No worries. The CMA Institute has extended the last date for CMA Foundation registration. So get yourself registered before 10th February 2024. An exciting opportunity is available. Don't miss out. Grab it. Get yourself registered for CMA Foundation before 10th February 2024 and just qualify CMA Foundation in June 2024 exams. And the rest of the course is same. You can register for CMA Inter before 31st July 2024 and you can qualify both groups of CMA Inter in December 2024. Again, you must get a doubt. Sir, what about CMA Foundation preparation? I have already clarified that you need not worry about CMA Foundation examination. The only thing required is you need to appear for the examination. That's all. You will definitely qualify with your knowledge, with your existing knowledge. You are already having very good knowledge of CA Foundation subjects, and if you can refer for few hours the exclusive things that are there in CMA Foundation, it will be a very easy thing to qualify CMA Foundation. Don't worry about that. So have you observed a wonderful thing in all the above three situations? In all the above three situations, you can pursue CMA Inter and you can write CMA Inter exams in December 2024 and you can become a CMA Inter qualified candidate in December 2024 attempt. That is the beauty of this course. Now you may have some questions. Now let me answer those questions. The first question that will be there in the minds of many students is that in Masterminds, more than 90% of the students will qualify CMA Foundation. So will there be opportunities for CMA qualified students, or will the opportunities be poor for CMA qualified students? See, don't be in a wrong notion that all the stages of CMA will be very easy. Of course, CMA Foundation is easy, but not CMA Inter and Final. CMA Inter and Final question papers are evolving and the standards are rising. So you need not worry about the opportunities as far as the institute is maintaining very good standards of question paper, so that only standards with good caliber will come out. So you need not worry about the opportunities. Now you may ask me, sir, is there any advantage to qualify both groups of CMA Inter and Final at a time? Yes, if you qualify CMA Inter both groups at a time or CMA Final both groups at a time, there is a biggest chance that you can get an All India rank. You can be an All India ranker. And with that All India rank, it will be very easy to get admission into a reputed firm for practical training, especially at CMA Inter level. So why you need to miss it out? There is a wonderful opportunity. Don't miss it out. And you may ask me one more question. Sir, I have qualified CMA Foundation but not CA Foundation. And my seniors are suggesting me to join in CA and CMA Inter integrated program rather than CMA Inter exclusive batch. Why they are suggesting me like that? Because they have known the advantage of it. See, actually, once you qualify CMA Foundation, you can go for CMA Inter exclusive batch. But rather than joining in CMA Inter exclusive batch, it would be a wise decision to join in CA and CMA integrated program. Let me tell you why is so. The first thing is difference in the depth of concepts. If you attend CA Inter coaching by joining in CA and CMA Inter integrated program, you will get to know the depth of the concepts. And while attending CA coaching, your conceptual knowledge will be widened, because at CA Inter level, the concepts will be very deep and you will get all such conceptual clarity. And you may not get that in CMA Inter materials and in CMA Inter coaching. And one very important thing, as I have told you earlier, that CMA Inter question papers are also improving, they are evolving. The standards of CMA Inter question papers are improving a lot. You may ask me one more thing. Sir, you can handle CMA as well as CA Inter exams. With this CA and CMA integrated program, you can now appear for CMA Inter exams, and later on if you want, you can definitely appear for CA Inter exams also, because you have taken coaching for CA Inter also, a dual benefit, a dual advantage. Please try to understand. With CA Inter coaching, you can handle both CA Inter and CMA Inter. But vice versa is not possible. With CMA Inter coaching, you cannot handle CA Inter question papers. So this is the beauty of this CA and CMA Inter integrated program. Please don't miss it out. And above all, there are more chances to get an All India rank at CMA Inter. So why do you keep yourself distant from becoming an All India ranker? Take the right decision. Choose CA and CMA Inter integrated program. Now, coming to the commencement of batches, CA Inter exclusive regular batch and CA and CMA Inter integrated program. They will start on February 11th in Guntur, Hyderabad, Vizag, Vijayawada, Tirupati, Nellore, Kurnool and Rajahmundry branches of Masterminds. That is, in Guntur and all the branches of Masterminds, you can find CA Inter exclusive regular batch and CA and CMA Inter integrated program. And on the other hand, if you want to join in CMA Inter exclusive regular batch, that batch also starts on February 11th in Guntur and Hyderabad. Now you may have a very important question in your mind and I want to answer it. Do you know what is that question? Sir, this is my first attempt of CA Foundation and I failed. So is it recommended to join in this program? Please try to understand. You are not appearing for a normal exam. This is a professional course. CA and CMA are professional courses and failure is as common as success in these courses. Okay. So since it is sufficient to prepare just for another 6 months, it is highly recommended to try CA Foundation once again. Nothing wrong in it. If you have already attempted CA Foundation exams multiple times earlier, then don't wait for CA Foundation results, or you can immediately take a decision to join in CA and CMA Inter integrated program. And if you qualify in CA Foundation, then you can simply write CA Inter exams first and then later on you can write CMA Inter exams. See, this is like a double-edged sword. If you can plan in a wise way, you can do it and you can complete both CA Inter and CMA Inter. So, for example, if you fail in CA Foundation, then you can write CMA first and CA Inter later. So, this is the biggest advantage of it. So, it is not at all a wise thing to wait for the announcement of the results. You can join in CA and CMA Inter integrated program, and depending on the result, you can make a decision either to qualify CMA Inter at first or CA Inter at first. Now, another doubt. After joining for integrated batch, is it required for students to seriously prepare and write CA Foundation exams once again in June 2024? So, the best advice is give top priority to CA Inter classes, because your first priority is to qualify CMA Inter in the first attempt and then pursue CA Inter based on CMA Inter result. So, it is always a good idea to listen to the classes of CA Inter with utmost attention. And you may ask, sir, what to do when CA Inter exclusive chapters are taught? You need not worry about that. When such exclusive chapters of CA Inter are taught, you can sit outside and prepare for CA Foundation exams of June 2024 attempt. And be very careful. Don't skip any of the common chapters of CA and CMA Inter. Okay, so please don't skip for that. If you have skipped, we will provide videos of all the chapters which you have skipped, but don't skip. That is very, very important. And after qualifying CMA Inter, we will arrange video classes of those chapters, CA Inter exclusive chapters, and this is an additional support from Masterminds management. And if you want to appear for CA Foundation exam seriously, then it is better to join in CA Foundation crash batch or hybrid batch, but not in CA and CMA Inter integrated program. For example, if you ask me, sir, how integrated program students shall prepare newly added chapters of CA Foundation? See, for all such newly added chapters, we provide materials, solutions and recorded videos for about 200 hours. And with this help, students can easily prepare for June 2024 CA Foundation exams. Now again you may ask, sir, how CA and CMA Inter integrated program students shall appear for CA Inter? We have told you the path. Now let me tell you one more time. First, you will clear your CMA Inter in December 2024 attempt, and the results will be announced before 25th February 2025, and later on you need to register for CA Inter and you need to appear for CA Inter exams in November 2025. And is there any need to take CA Inter coaching again? Obviously no need. What's the reason? The reason is already CA Inter coaching is already completed to you in the CA and CMA Inter integrated program, and you can prepare on your own. And if you want, after completion of your CMA Inter exams, you can prepare on your own or you can join in CA Inter study hours and revision exams in Masterminds. But you need not sit idle. Either you prepare for CA Inter exams or meanwhile you can prepare for your CMA final also. So can CA Foundation qualified students join in this program? This will be a big doubt. Admission will not be given to the students who have qualified CA Foundation. All such students who have qualified CA Foundation, they have to join in CA Inter regular batch only. And after CA Inter exams, we will conduct separate classes to teach CMA Inter exclusive chapters so that you can also appear for CMA Inter. And you may have another doubt, sir, what about the materials? How materials are provided to the students of CA and CMA Inter integrated batch? We will first provide all the materials of CA Inter because I have already told you 90% of the chapters are common in CA and CMA Inter. So you just prepare yourself in those materials, in CA Inter materials, and later you want exclusive CMA Inter related materials. Yes, we will provide those materials for those chapters to integrated program students only. That is, for the remaining 10% syllabus, we will provide exclusive materials for CA and CMA Inter integrated batch students. Now, what about the weekend examinations? How the weekend examinations will be conducted? So, first we will conduct examinations in all the chapters of CA Inter, in all the common chapters of CA Inter, and after that we will conduct additional exams, additional chapter and exams for exclusive chapters of CMA Inter. And you will have one more doubt. Sir, do you stop CA Inter classes during CA Foundation examinations of June 2024 attempt? It is not possible. We cannot stop CA Inter classes during CA Foundation exams. If you want, you can appear for CA Foundation exams. And for all the chapters that were taught in the class during CA Foundation examinations, we will arrange recorded video lectures and you can watch them and you can prepare. In spite of telling number of times, still a doubt lingers in your mind. Why other academies are unable to offer the same? I have already told about this in the earlier part. That is, Masterminds is a leader in offering both CA and CMA courses. That is the single reason that we are offering this CA and CMA Inter integrated program, because we know very well about CA and CMA courses. We offer all the 3 levels of CA and CMA courses and we have 21 years of experience. So with this experience, with the learning of this experience, we could able to offer CA and CMA Inter integrated program. Now, you may ask me, sir, what is the conclusion? What finally you want to tell us? What is the biggest takeaway of this video? The things are very simple and clear. If you got failed in the first attempt of CA Foundation, then try one more time. Second, if you have qualified in CA Foundation, then join in CA Inter exclusive regular batch. Third, if you want to first qualify CMA Inter and would like to pursue CA Inter also in future, then the best option is CA and CMA Inter integrated program. Now the last conclusion. Even if you want to pursue CMA Inter alone, then it is better to join in CA and CMA Inter integrated program. You may ask, sir, what about the CMA Inter exclusive batch? Give second priority to CMA Inter exclusive regular batch, because you will have lot of advantages, lot of benefits if you enroll for CA and CMA Inter integrated program. So these are the conclusions, these are the key takeaways of this video. Hope you understood all the options that are available in front of you. So think wise, act wise and choose wise and make a better decision for your wonderful career. All the best. Thank you.